This is going to be the first of two videos on how we share. So let's go over to share on the right hand side there. And there are a number of things that we need to be aware of. We're going to look at this area to start with in this video. So the first thing here is send and collect responses. So when we're sending out the quiz to our students, this is what we're going to be thinking about here. So only people in my organisation can respond. So if you were in an education setting, then that's in your school. And it said there, only people in respond to this form. And then if we click on the down arrow, anyone with the link can respond, which means you can send the link out beyond your school setting if you so wish. For me, I tend to keep it with only people in our settings, obviously because we want to just send it out to our students. So that's the first thing to be aware of. The second thing then is these four icons here and different ways in which we can actually distribute the quiz to our students. The first one is a link, as is a normal link. So we've got a web link or a URL link here. So if I copy that, you can see that it's ready to paste, and there are a number of things that we can do. So the first thing is that we might, for example, want to paste it into a document, a Word document for some reason, and then the students, you might email that to them, or you might attach that as a document somewhere else. So very simply, we just Control V, return, and that is the link. It's not particularly attractive looking, it's a bit clunky, but nevertheless that's the link, and then students can click on that and they can then access that link. So another way to distribute it again is click on the link, copy it, and then if you're using OneNote, you simply go to your page that you want to distribute it. Let's give that a quick title, take this quiz, and then you simply paste with Control V and then hit return, and then that automatically embeds the quiz into OneNote, which is absolutely amazing. Another way that we can do it, still got the link, is if I go into Teams. I've already made this up already, add a Microsoft form, so a bit of text if you want, and then you just press Control V and that's the link again, and that then is embedded and ready to go by sending it, and there it is. Another way that we can distribute the quiz is by a QR code, so just click on that, and you've got two options here. You can click on download and then that will download the picture, or you can go over to the right hand side, right click, copy image, and then you go into your Word document. If you want it to be the Word document, Control paste, and there's our image just there, and then that could be put up on the classroom or on the corridors or wherever it is you want to display that. So that's another way of disseminating our quiz. The next way is to embed it. So we can click on embed, and then we get the embed code there. You copy that and it says you can put it into a website. So if you have your own website, Weebly or whatever it is that you might use in class, or a Sway, which would be something else in the Microsoft suite of applications, then you just copy that and then you can paste that wherever you want it to go. Lastly, you can email this, and by clicking email it automatically generates an email. Now I'm at home at this point making this video, so it brings up my Windows 10 email, but it would be your school email if you were at school, and you can see who it's from there, and fill in this quiz and then the link there, and you just send that out and job done. So those are four ways in which we can send the quiz to our students. In the next video we're going to be looking at templates and how we can share with each other.